This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Fleming. To be built RJM Custom Home-Sage Floor plan is shown in photos. 4-bedroom 3-bath, 2-car garage home with 2285 square feet under air. This open concept floor plan is the most popular model home we build. With its exceptional design, this home boasts vaulted ceilings to give an open feel as you enter the home. The great room is perfect for entertaining or cozy family nights. The open floor plan flows into the kitchen area that has Granite Island and countertop, 42 feet soft close cabinets, and G stainless steel appliances. An extra den that could be utilized as an office or another bedroom. With the spray foam insulation and hurricane impact windows, this home is very energy efficient. This home price includes the home, lot, and estimated lot prep. We are also offering $3,000 in upgrades for you to test. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Fleming at 772-501-9835.